inner part. So this would now be the cross-sectional area of the structure. Okay. So a while ago, we identified this as the uterus. Diba? So kanisha, this one would now be the cavity of the uterus. The cavity. Okay, so you have the cavity of the uterus there. The uterus na siya, cavity. Then, at this area here, muan na yung uterus. And at this area, there's another structure there, present there. And we call that one as the cervix. Yung uterus, di ba, kita mo sa shape, yung uterus, narrow down siya. Yung narrow down niya, you have there your cervix. And popular ang cervix because of your cancer or your tumor. You have cancer of the cervix or you have cervical cancer. Yeah. Then further below, or the tube-like structure there, like below your cervix, you now have your vagina. So this is the vagina here. Sabi may nga mo sir, lahit-lagi siya nagtanaw. It is cross-sectional area, cover that. So this is already the cavity of the vagina. You have the tissues there that surrounds so as the whole thing makes a vagina. It's just the cavity there. Okay, clear? Okay. Next, you have here your red. You have this urinary bladder. If we're going to look at here, this one would now be your urinary bladder. And guys, below, still again the tube there. So this is now your urethra. The urethra. And kanisang gamay. Kanisang gamay in front further. We call that part now as the glans clitoris. The glans clitoris or the female.
Kanang blue, sir?
Kanang blue. So you have your glans clitoris. And this is the glans clitoris. And it's more neat than siya. So you have your glans clitoris. Okay, clear? Okay, question with regards to the female part. Yes.